Why are timesheets so important, or what are timesheets? Well, I'm obviously slightly biased, but timesheets are important because if you put time into your timesheet, you can forget it. But so it's recording what you've actually done instead of getting 2 month end or 2 week end and say, what did I do? I think I might have done this, or they're a good client, I'll hit them up for another X number of hours. The benefit of the timesheets is that it keeps you honest, and you can use that accumulated wealth of knowledge over time to help you earn the next dollar by saying, well, we thought it was going to be 12 hours, but it took 20. So on the next time we're quoting for a job of that type, we'll quote 20. And it's only if you're recording your time honestly into a timesheet that you can accumulate that wealth of knowledge, if you like, that enables you to better plan and manage going into the future every day on the next project. Well, timesheets can make a business much more profitable because people forget. If you forget, especially if you're doing lots of pick up, put down jobs throughout the week, if you're in a senior management role, there's lots of interruptions and things. The timesheet enables you, if you do become methodical about putting your time into your timesheet, then it brings up things that you say, oh, I forgot I did that last Tuesday. I forgot about that half-hour meeting that we had with someone. So whether it's making the business profitable by not letting things fall through the cracks, or making it profitable by bringing back up from your timesheet reporting system to say, well, you remember you did do a day and a half on that, and you asked someone else to spend half a day on it as well. The benefit of the timesheets is that you can correctly record what's being done and therefore recover the real value of that time. There's a huge proportion of businesses that run pretty well the entire business on spreadsheets. And in tracking time using spreadsheets as opposed to an integrated single source of truth, it brings in many different things. First of all, different people can't resist modifying their particular instance of their spreadsheet. And the second thing is it involves an awful lot of rekeying of data, collating data. And if you change something, so someone realizes they made a mistake on their timesheet last week, it might already have been collated through to somewhere else. So businesses using spreadsheets are really running possibly hundreds of separate little standalone databases, whereas a system such as AbTracker, an integrated system, it's a single source of truth. You enter it once, it manifests itself on the timesheet for the employee, it manifests itself on a report on a particular project that employee and other employees might have worked on. And the same timesheet comes through to say, well, this is what we should be billing, this is what we did bill, did we make money off it, did we lose money? And of course, if the client phones up and says, well, can you tell me why you're billing me this $25,000 for this month? Then you can rapidly go back into a single source of truth much more easily than you can go back through a whole raft of timesheets different people might have put together in their own way before they've emailed it through to an admin department, for example.